In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off a restricted mode on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up settings. Then go to screen time, and then just stop where it says content and privacy restrictions. Then you can go to content restrictions, and that's where you can customize your content restrictions settings. Let's say if you want to unrestrict some web content, you can go to web content, and if whatever option except unrestricted is selected, you can tap at unrestricted to unrestrict all the web content. And in the same way you can check any other option in here, but the easiest way to turn off restricted mode is just to toggle this feature off, which is called content and privacy restrictions at the very top. By toggling off this feature, you will unrestrict all the content at your device. Keep in mind that it may ask you to enter a screen time passcode, so obviously you have to know it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.